Hello everybody and welcome back to another screencast of Total OS Today. Well, this review is in response to a request I received, an email I received last month. It was actually right before Christmas, and it comes from Isabella White. She is the Public Relations Manager for Digeus Incorporated, or Digeus, I'm not sure which. Let me spell it, D-I-G-E-U-S, and before I continue, hello Isabella. And like I said, she is the Public Relations Manager, and she requested that I do a review of a registry cleaner for Windows PCs. Now, I do use registry cleaners to tune up my computers. Let's take a look at the website. This is from Digeus or Digeus.com. Once again, it is D-I-G-U-S, and they do offer various products: System Optimizer, Junk Files Cleaner, Registry Defragmenter, Privacy Protection, so on and so forth. But for this screencast, we'll be taking a look at Registry Cleaner version 5.5. Now this is designed for, it looks like, Windows 98 all the way up to Windows 7. Let me scroll down here. This award-winning software starts by conducting a deep scan of your registry, checking for file extension errors and other registry conflicts. With Registry Cleaner, you'll see immediate increases in performance and decrease in system conflicts. Now, some of the problems a registry cleaner can solve is slow boot up, longer machine response time, the blue screen of death, and an unresponsive system. Now, I already installed this on my Windows 7 PC a while back. It ran and installed and ran flawlessly. For this screen test, I ran it in my Windows XP machine, and this is what it came up with. Now, before I did this screencast, I installed and uninstalled various pieces of software, and it did come up with 262 invalid entries found. Let me go through the scan functions or scan button functions here. We have the scan registry for invalid entries, the fix selected invalid entries, the backup registry, restore registry, select all invalid entries, and deselect all invalid entries. Now, before you use a registry cleaner, make sure you perform a backup first, just in case something happens, so you can go back and restore your registry to its previous state. Now, this scans everything from search invalid file types to all the way down to search invalid fonts and search unnecessary mouse appearance. This scan was quick, less than 3 minutes, no problems. Now, this is a very clean, user-friendly menu interface, very easy to use even if you are new to Windows PCs or pieces of software like a registry cleaner. So I would have no problem recommending this if you wanted to try it. Now, this is the unregistered version, so if I wanted to continue, I would have to go to the website and register it. I would suggest you check the website for the current pricing. I don't believe it costs that much. Well, that being said, definitely check it out. Very clean, very easy to use. It did find a whole bunch of invalid entries, at least in my Windows XP machine, and also it found a bunch in my Windows 7 machine. After using something like this, you should notice a performance boost. Now, of course, the performance boost will vary depending on how fast or how slow your machine runs. Well, that's it for this test of Digeus or Digeus Registry Cleaner. Once again, thank you to Isabella White, and as always, thank you for watching Total OS Today. Please don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment. And as always, I will catch you sometime in the future. Goodbye. Okay, one last thing I wanted to mention. Isabella wanted me to mention that if anybody is willing to do a review of a piece of software from Digeus.com, she would be willing to send you a registration code. Just provide her with a link to your blog.